Okey, untuk kira inflationary deflationary gap, kita kena dapatkan dulu jurang KNK, national income gap. Okey. Inflationary deflationary itu lebih daripada lompang inflasi, lompang deflasi. Okey, untuk sebelum tu kita kena tahu dulu how much di national income gap atau jurang KNK. Okey. Jurang KNK atau KDNK. Okey, tak. Jurang ini sebut kita sebut KDNK. So it's a GDP gap. KDNK is GDP. So it's the KDNK potensi minus KDNK sebenar. It's actual KDNK or actual GDP. So we have potensi. The full potential GDP is potential GDP. Sometimes known as the full employment GDP. Full employment GDP, potential the GDP is the same. So here full employment GDP is 5,000. Okay, 5,000. Okay, kita tengok sini 5,000. So you have the actual equal to 4,225. So the difference between the two 785, correct? No. Okay, 775 juta. Okay, 775 million is the national income gap, jurang KDNK, national income gap. Okay, what about the deflationary, inflationary? Not yet. Okay, jurang inflasi atau deflasi, inflationary or deflationary gap, is the formula is equal to jurang KDNK or KNK is a national income gap, the value of national income gap divided by multiplier AE multiplier. Okay, divided by AE multiplier. So we know that it's national income gap equal to 775. How much the multiplier? AE multiplier. Okay, so under AE we have AIG. So you can choose any AIG multiplier. Okay, how to get the multiplier? It means that multiplier means it's a measure the how much the national income change due to any change in A or I or G. So you take the A is the autonomous consumption, which is how much Y change due to change in A equal to what. Alright, so how to get this one? This AE, so you need to take the AE function. AE equal to, remember AE? $1,690 plus 0.6y. That's AE. Right? So we have the component of A here inside 1690, inside 1690. Okay, so if I want to show you how to get this, it's quite long. Okay, it's quite long. I think it's better to give you the okay. You know that AE equal to C plus I plus G, and we know that C equal to A plus B YD plus I plus G. So this one is C, that one is C. Okay, so we know that A plus B Y minus TG minus small ty plus R plus I plus G, so that the whole thing equal to A plus BY minus BTG, okay, minus BTY plus BR plus I plus G. Okay, then you know that AE equal to Y, so you have Y equal to A plus BY minus BTG. TG is a gross stat. BTY plus BR plus I plus G. So you have Y here, you have Y, you have Y. So Y equal Y equal to Y minus BY plus BTY equal to A minus BTG plus BR plus I plus G. So you have the Y 1 minus B plus BT equal to A minus BTG plus BR plus I plus G. So your Y is simply 1 minus B plus BT multiplied with the whole thing, A BTG plus BR plus I plus G. Okay, so this thing is the multiplier. No, not the multiplier. It's give you the information for multiplier. Okay, for example, okay, change in Y due to change in TG. I made a mistake lah. Okay, untuk cari multiplier, okay, untuk cari multiplier. Actually you simply get from the AE function, but I want to derive it one by one. Penting untuk kita tahu. Okay. AE equal to C plus I plus G. Okay. C itu adalah A plus B Y D is A. A plus B Y D is C plus I plus G. So A plus B Y D is Y minus T plus I plus G. What is T? A plus B Y. T is adalah terdiri pada TG minus R, which is TA. TA is the lump sum tax. Minus small t y plus R. Okay, plus R. TA plus TY itu adalah gross tax. R adalah transfer payment. Jadi gross tax tolak transfer payment, you akan dapat T is net tax. Okay. Plus I plus G. So kita akan dapat A plus BY minus BTA minus BT Y plus BR plus I plus G. So AE equal to Y, so you have Y equal to A plus BY minus BTA minus BTY plus BR plus I plus G. So kita ada Y. Kita ada Y kat sini, kita Y sini, kita ada satu lagi Y situ. Jadi kita dapat Y minus plus 1 plus Y minus BY plus BT Y minus BY plus BTY. Okay, sama dengan A minus BTA plus BR plus I plus G. Okay, so you have the Y minus B plus BT equal to A plus B A minus BTA plus BR plus I plus G. So Y is simply 1 equal 1 minus B plus BT multiplied with the whole right hand side. A BTA minus BR I plus G. Okay, this summation give you the AE multiplier. Okay, so change in Y due to change A, for example, give you A minus B plus BT. So if you change in Y due to change in I, also give the same. Change in Y due to change in G also give the same, which is this one. So it's a 1 minus 1 or how much B 0.8 plus BT the B is 0.8 multiplied with T 0.25. 0.25. So you can have the answer. One divided by 0.4 equal to 2.5 is the multiplier. So we use this multiplier 2.5. So you have multiply here 2.5. So you have so this is a positive. So positive. So it means that jurang deflasi. Positif jurang deflasi sebesar 310 juta. So that's jurang deflasi. How to close the gap? To close the gap, by simply pump in the money. How much? 310. Okay, how much the pump the money? 310 million. The pump the money to close the gap. So kerajaan dia ada polisi tool, alat dasar. Kerajaan ada alat dasar G, TA.
Abang tolong buang. Abang buang lah game ni.
And we have a transfer payment. That's the policy tools, alat dasar, fiscal policy tools, alat dasar yang ada dalam model ini, dalam model yang kita gunakan. So GTAR, the impact of G on the national income is positive. The impact of, that means positive impact, that means G increase, national income increase. This one negative, I mean tax increase, national income drops. This one positive. Okay, for the case of size of government spending multiplier. So the size for government spending multiplier is similar to A is similar to I. So it's similar to A to similar to I. So AIG is the size of the multiplier is same. But the multiplier for TA and R is also the same, but with different sign. Kalau multiplier untuk let's say the multiplier for TA adalah 2, negatif 2, so the multiplier for R is 2, adalah 2. So the size, the absolute value for for the multiplier of TA and R are the same at absolute value, but the sign are different. But TA multiplier negative. Okay. So it means that how to close the gap is simply pump in the money. How much the government need to spend? 310 juta the government need to spend to increase spending, which is so perubahan G equal to 310 juta. So this an increase in G akan meningkatkan Y, perubahan Y sebanyak 775 juta. Sebab the multiplier is 2.5. Oh, okay. Now if government want to use tax to close the gap, so you kena ambil close the gap. So how much the gap need to be closed? Perubahan Y 775 is the amount of Y, the amount of national income that we need to close, to be closed in order to close national income gap. So untuk guna tax, kita kena guna tax multiplier. Okay, kita go back to yang tadi tu. So perubahan Y divided by perubahan T autonomous step is simply minus B divided by minus B plus BT. So yang pembawah tu, denominator is the same, it's 0.4, but the B is 0.8. That means multiplier is equal to minus 2. Okay, minus 2. So the formula, the basic formula is change in Y divided by change in DT TA equal to multiplier. So that's the standard formula. So we know that how much the value of Y we need to close is equal to. So this one equal to 775. This one is unknown. How much the size? And this one is equal to minus 2. Okay. So jadinya senang saja. Jadi perubahan Y divided by multiplier. Okay, divided by multiplier equal to perubahan TA, which is Y equal to 775 million multiply equal to minus 2. Dan kita akan dapat calculator apa lagi. Negative answer is negative because due to multiplier, negative multiplier. And 775 tu positive. 775 tu positive. It means that the government need to reduce tax, langsang tax. Banyak 387.5 juta. Okay. Alright. So the last answer, how to increase the AE upward. Kalau nak this one, kena ambil balik our AE function. AE function is AE equal to 169.0 plus 0.6 Y. So you need to, if you want to increase AE upward, you need to, so apa yang ada dalam 1690? Okay, apa yang ada dalam 1690 actually A, I, G. AIG, dan dalam tu ada juga maklumat tentang TA dan lain-lain lagi. Okay, maklumat TA dan lain-lain lagi. So TA, okay, dan ada maklumat dalam tu, ada maklumat up. Okay, ada maklumat up. Okay. Oleh kerana AE dengan Y adalah positif, maka untuk tingkatkan AE adalah perkara-perkara yang meningkatkan Y. Okay. Oleh kerana AE dengan Y adalah positif, maksudnya bagaimana nak tingkatkan AE adalah bagaimana untuk meningkatkan Y. So A dengan AE adalah positif. Ni hubungannya positif. Okay, kita perlu tingkatkan A. How to tingkatkan A? Sebab A is a function, autonomous consumption. It's not easy to increase autonomous consumption. But if there is an increase autonomous consumption, so AE akan increase. Ni positif juga. Okay. I investment positif, government ni positif, lump sum tax negatif. Negatif maksud kena reduce lah untuk tingkatkan AA. R adalah positif. Okay. Itulah faktor-faktor. Semua ini akan memberi kesan kepada perubahan secara increase of AE upward, downward secara selari. Okey, itu saja. Jumpa lagi.